Hi guys, and welcome back to NSM Delights YouTube channel. Today we'll be making green moong dal. I know this is some of your every mother's favourite. First of all, you'll be needing green moong dal. You would soak it for about half an hour before it's ready to boil. Next, you'll be needing pink Himalayan salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder and fresh garlic. 3 onions, chopped, medium onions, chopped up and ready to go to fry in a pan, so you can impress them by making this dal and let them sit and relax in the sofa for a while. First of all, to a pot you need to add boiling water. Get your soaked dal and add it to the boiling water on a medium to high flame. Make sure you get every part of that dal in that container. To the boiled water and lentils, you are going to add your spices and your salt and a bit of fresh chopped garlic. You can use how much salt or spices you like according to your taste. To a separate pan, add some oil and 3 chopped onions, small to medium sized onions, and let that fry off until it's golden brown. Once your onions are golden brown, to that mix you are going to add 2.5 teaspoons of crushed garlic and ginger. I always have crushed garlic and ginger in the fridge and sealed in a container with a little bit of oil, and it stores really nicely. After 20 to 30 minutes you are going to check on your dal. It should be nice and soft, as you can see here. And I'm going to put this on a low flame and back to the tadka. To your browned onions and garlic and ginger, you are going to add 2 to 3 tomatoes and 4 green chilies. As you can see, I've just sliced through the green chilies, and that way you can get a bit more flavour. Right, to the dal you are going to add your tadka and give it a stir. Make sure to get every last bit of the spice mixture and your tadka mixture. So I'm going to put the dal back into the pan and give that a mix, and then put it straight back in, not letting anything go to waste. All that flavour, and there you have it. Your moong dal is ready to serve. I've served it with white rice, a side of side salad and a green chilli and some mint yogurt chutney. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye!